So, good day everyone. This is CE Solves and ang problem natin ngayon is the quantity x minus y plus 2 dx plus 3 dy equals 0. So, usually, di ba, sa coefficients linear in two variables, equate natin yung two lines to 0 para mahanap yung HK. Pero, we cannot really equate the 3 to 0 kasi hindi siya mag-make sense. So, ang gagawin natin is use a change of variable. Meaning, yung x minus y, equate natin siya sa w. So, magiging siyang w is equal to x minus y, dw is equal to dx minus dy. Tapos, i-express natin to in terms of dy or dx. Pero since mas madali kapag dy yung express natin, gawin natin siyang dy is equal to dx minus dw. Kasi lipat natin to sa left side, magiging positive, at ito magiging negative. So, tama. Ngayon, i-substitute natin to sa problem natin. So, magiging siyang the quantity x minus y is w. So, magiging siyang w plus 2 dx plus 3 dy will be dx minus dw. So, dx minus dw is equal to 0. So, ngayon, distribute na natin siya. Ito. So, magiging w plus 2 dx plus 3 dx minus 3dw is equal to 0. So, combine natin yung mga pwede nating mag-combine, which is ito, tapos ito, kasi parehas sila may dx. So, w plus 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. So, sulat na natin siya as that, 5. So, dx minus 3dw. So, ngayon, ang pwede na natin gawin is separation of variables. So, separation of variables. Tapos, gawin natin, magiging itong copy natin, dx. Since walang ibang may x dito, dx lang siya, minus, copy natin, 3dw, divided by yung w plus 5 dito. W plus 5 is equal to 0. So, ngayon is integrate na natin siya both sides since na-separate na natin yung variables. So, this will be x lang naman kasi integral of dx is x minus 3, yung constant, labas natin, ln. So, ang i-integrate na lang natin is 1 over w plus 5. So, magiging siyang ln w plus 5 is equal to 0. So, integration ng 0 will be c. So, ang gagawin na natin will be ilipat natin tong c sa left side at ito sa right side. So, magiging siyang x plus c is equal to 3 ln w plus 5. And yung w natin, palitan natin ng x minus y kasi yan yung nirepresent natin kanina. So, magiging siyang x plus c is equal to 3 ln w is x minus y plus 5. So, yan na yung final answer natin.